What up, investors? It's your boy Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment, where I talk about Bionano Genomics on a daily basis. From Sunday to Sunday, I try to post at least one video. Always do your own due diligence. Don't sue me, bro. Let's get to it. What's going on, investors? Welcome back to Frunkla. So let's talk about Bionano Genomics earnings, which of course is coming up on the 5th of May 2022. Okay, we have earnings coming up on the 5th of May. If you come down a little bit, you guys can see that we have the Q1 earning per share. Of course, is the EPS is set again at minus 0.07, minus 7 cents. Okay, is Bionano Genomics going to finally meet this EPS, or are they going to miss it once again? Because they have been missing since the 3 quarters now. Bngo has been missing earnings per share. Look at that. This one was set as at minus 4 cents. We missed it. Minus 6 cents. We missed it. Minus 6 cents. We missed it. And I think the analysts have realized that more or less Bngo is mostly reporting minus 7 cents, and that is why they set this one at minus 7 cents. I don't know. So we have the earnings EPS on target at minus 7 cents, and hopefully Bngo is going to meet it this time. Okay, I mean, we don't have any information about what is going on with the company in the first quarter, apart from the normal press releases, and we don't have any information about how many Sapphire devices Bngo has possibly installed in the first quarter of this year. I don't have it. If you guys have it, please feel free to share it with other viewers in the comment section. So this more or less what analysts are expecting from Bionano Genomics. The past 3 quarters has been a mist. Okay, and if you take a look at the past 3 quarters, the fact that Bngo missed all these earnings, but the thing is, they met it in Q1 2021. But again, if you take a look at the past 3 quarters, they missed all the EPS, and that doesn't say anything massively positive about this quarter right here, because you have to look at the what is going on previously, and try to predict what is possibly going to happen in the future. If Bngo meets this EPS, this is going to be a very good thing for the share price of Bionano Genomics. It's going to meet, it's going to solidify the bottom price of Bngo right now at $1.6. Okay, but if they miss this EPS, I don't think this is going to be good for the share price of Bngo. So that's more or less my own opinion. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section, because if you remember correctly, in this year, we started this year around $3. If you go up a little bit, Bionano Genomics, let me put it to 6 months, and this is January, beginning of January 2022, sorry. So you can see we started this year around this level, around $3, and right now the share price of Bngo has been cut in half. So if they miss these earnings once again, there is a possibility that the share price is going to go below $1.6. So those are some things that I am watching. No information about how many Sapphire devices they have managed to install so far in this year. And last year at some point we used to see some tweets and some posts from laboratories that are adopting the Sapphire device, but so far it's been very difficult to even find one single post about a lab that just adopted the Sapphire device. So, and also you have to understand that in the 4th quarter of last year, Bngo consumables, there was a problem with the consumables. Okay, they didn't sell enough consumables like they were supposed to sell. So hopefully that problem has been solved. Those are the things that I am going to be focusing on during this earnings call. And so Bionano Genomics to report first quarter 2022 financial results and host a conference call and webcast on May 5th, 2022. So I'm going to try and see if I can live stream this event, because I have been live streaming a lot of earnings events. So hopefully I will have enough time, and I have a family and a job as well. So hopefully I will find some time. I'm going to live stream it, and then we can come together and talk about what is going on. So this is about this. So earnings per share minus 7 cents is what you guys should keep an eye on. So let's take a look at, there is an article about Bionano Genomics from, I think, from the monthly full about 4 days ago. I have wanted to made a video about this, but I was just too busy. So let's take a look at this article and we can end this video. So this person is saying that 3 moonshot stocks with upside of up to 709%. Okay, 709%. The writer is Sean Williams, and he spoke about, since early January, Wall Street has given the investing community a not so subtle reminder that stocks can go down just as easily as they can go higher. In March, the benchmark S&P 500 registered its 39th official correction, i.e. a decline of at least 10%. Since the beginning of 1950, while the technology-driven Nasdaq Composite briefly dipped into bear market territory. So Nasdaq is presently in bear market territory. Now, this author spoke about Okugen with an implied upside of 525%. Okay, 520, because the Leboyas has a $15 target on Okugen. There is an analyst from Robert Leboya of Noble Financial. That is why and Okugen closed. I don't know what price Okugen closed. So this is Okugen. It closed at $2.30. Okay, and this person has a price target of $15, and $15 is more or less at the all-time high of Okugen right here from 2021. So if you go down further, this person also spoke about Intercept from Pharmaceuticals with an implied upside of 404%, guys. 404%. So if you take a look at the chart of ICPT, the ticker is ICPT. The market cap is more or less like Bionano Genomics, and the all-time high is more or less from 2017 is more or less around 120 something US dollars. And the analyst, let's see how much the Rama reiterated the firm target of $82. So this person has a price target of $82, but ICPT is presently closed on 15.71 US dollars. So $82 is more or less around this level right here. Okay, $82. So now if you go down, you are going to see Bionano Genomics with the highest implied upside, which is of course 709%. Okay, Bngo has, this person spoke about Kevin DeGela from Oppenheimer with a price target of $14, and if this figure were to become a reality, shares would rise by more than 700%. That is massive. So $14 is somewhere around almost close to the all-time high. If share price of Bngo closed on Friday at $1.63, $1.6, you guys can see that this is massive upside. But of course, I have made several videos about all these price targets, and it has nothing to do with what is going on right now. Okay, if the market in general, the sentiment turns positive, if we are done with all this interest rate hike and so on and so forth, then we can start to focus on price targets. But until then, this at this moment almost mean nothing. So I think that is that about that. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section, and what do you think about the earnings of Bionano Genomics? Are they going to report a lot of Sapphire devices installed? Are they going to beat earnings by this? Are they going to finally meet the EPS target of analysts or not? Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll be your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla. Ciao, ciao.